What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Review. Today we are going to be reviewing this Mod Podge. I would call it paint, but it's basically you can transfer your photos onto wood, and we are going to test a couple of photos out. But in this review, I am going to be doing one of my favorite TV shows, Sanford and Son. All right, we open this up. And this is my wife's actually, so she let me go ahead and use it, and she haven't used it yet. Now this is dishwasher safe. I don't know if I'm supposed to be using gloves or not, so oops. Make sure you wear your proper PPE. I got the towel on my table. I did not read the directions, but I did look at some YouTube videos. So what we are going to do is paint the wood. We are going to put our picture on top of that, and we are going to roll it in, and then tomorrow we will try to peel it off and see if it transferred. Hopefully we have a success. If not, we will try again, because this channel, we do not give up. Also, if you want to know, before I speed up this video, I did sand this wood to, I think, 300 grits. So it's a smooth feel, but it's not glass feel on it. Okay, you guys, so I have the project right here. I have it left overnight. It wasn't 24 hours or nothing. It was basically maybe like, I say about, what time is it? I say about 10 hours maybe. So let's go ahead. I damped the cloth. This is not fully drenched in water. Like if I squeeze it, no water's coming out. So let's see. All right, you guys, so this is going to take a lot of scraping. For what I seen on the YouTube video, that lady did it in like a few minutes. Okay, you guys, so this was my first attempt on this. Now, I don't know if this is, let me see, can I scratch that? No, so I don't know, maybe that's from the print or whatnot, but you see this little dark spots right here, dark spot there. I'm not going to worry about it too much because it's pretty cool that I actually did this. So for the last step, I will be using this Poly Mini Wax Clear Gloss. All right, this is straight up gloss, not semi-gloss or, you know, eggshell matte. This is not matte or anything. This is gloss. So this should be glossy when I'm done with it. Like I said, I'm gonna wait until it's fully dry, and then y'all will see the final results. Now we're going to put the gloss on there. I don't know if y'all can see a difference. Y'all let me know. Now when I put this on there, the color didn't really pop out, but I mean, I'm actually kind of happy at how, okay, this came out a little bit better. It's not as dull. I I want to put one thick coat on it and let it be. I'll let that dry, and then we can see the gloss once it's finished. I might put 2 coats. I might do like a little light sanding and then put another coat on it. I'll let y'all know if I did that or not, but just stay tuned and we'll see the final results.